Welcome to AIBank, your daily dose of the latest AI breakthroughs. Today we're diving into Google's newly unveiled Gemini 2.0, a model so powerful it's redefining what AI can do. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Gemini 2.0 is Google's next-generation multimodal AI, surpassing even OpenAI's GPT-4 in benchmarks. It can process text, images, audio, and video simultaneously, making it one of the most versatile models ever created. But how does it work? Let's break it down. Unlike traditional models that handle one data type at a time, Gemini 2.0 uses a unified neural network. This means it can analyze a video's speech, visuals, and context together, like understanding a meme's humor or diagnosing medical scans with shocking accuracy. Google tested Gemini 2.0 in coding, where it debugged complex Python code faster than human engineers. It also aced real-time language translation during live speeches, with near-perfect tone and nuance. The implications: faster scientific research, hyper-personalized education, and maybe even AI coworkers. But it's not all good news. Critics warn Gemini 2.0 could deepen AI bias or displace jobs. Google claims they've added ethical guardrails, but can we trust them? Only time will tell. Want more mind-blowing AI updates? Hit subscribe and tap the bell. We drop fresh videos daily. This is AIBank signing off.